Yo, what's happening? Back, man. Back up in here with another one of them things. Well, we back from earlier. So, this car so dirty. It's not dirty. I did a thing. I gotta get my tent done over. That's what I gotta do. Get my tent done over. Like I said, y'all know about the what's called I plan to do with the conversion on the T-tops. But I keep having problems, man, with my lights on the front. My turn signals. Like they'll last for a minute, but then they'll go out again. So I went ahead on my Holiday my dog GQ, man. Y'all ain't familiar with him, man. He do a lot of the lighting around here, man. Automotive lighting, you know what I'm saying? GQ lighting, LED stuff. So he recommended some lights for me, and I got them. Yeah, I know I had these fog lights on here anyway, but I gotta get some more fog lights. But look at that. I didn't know they was gonna come on like that. Oh, because the what's the car not on? Because the car not on. So they switchbacks. So let me turn that on for you. Turn these hazards on real quick. Yeah, I didn't know they was gonna come on like that. I thought they was gonna come on orange like they did last night, but I had the car running though. But yeah, they switchbacks. Y'all see the orange on that one? Got the orange on it. But then once you turn them off, they go back to white. I think they 65K, 6500K, 65K, something like that. But yeah, man. So we're doing a facelift now. What I gotta do, being that these lenses are terrible, I have to give me another lens. This light right here, it needs to be adjusted because it's way brighter than everything else for some reason. I don't know why. But yeah, that's a nice little picture right there too. So now I gotta do my headlights and my headlight housings. You know what I'm saying? Cause my headlights are still halogen, a regular incandescent bulb. But yeah, matter of fact, turn that back on. Take me a picture. Take me a picture of that. Can't even. That one over here so bright you can't even see the rest of it. Come over here a little bit. Them sounds too bright. It look good like that though. Yep. Yep, so got me old picture, no thumbnail. Yeah. So we can head to the house now, man. I gotta do this tent over though. My tent is not dark, but it ain't, cause I wanted it like this. Like I want it like, hold on. So y'all can see through there pretty good. And when I close it though, it's, so you can still see in there a little bit. I don't know why that light on. You can still see in there a little bit. Now my back glass you can see, because you can see that dang on LED in there flashing. I gotta do something about that too. But hold on, let me turn this light off. Why is that light on? Is it gonna go off? Did I just turn it on or did I turn it off? I don't even know. But anyway, the tent actually is supposed to be darker than this. I don't know why. But no, it's not supposed to be darker. It's just, it looks like it's dark, I guess, because I got black interior. Because I got black interior, it look like it's darker, but it's really not that dark. I don't know what's going on with that, but I think I'm gonna have to go ahead and put something else on it, man. I'm gonna leave my windshield. My windshield 35. I'm gonna leave that. I'm gonna have to do something about these side windows, and this window back here, I gotta do something about that too. Cause see, okay, all on gone off now. I think this is 20 back here. This 35. Like, you can't see when the light off. You can't see nothing. But I want it to be a little darker though, cause you can still see in there a little bit, and I don't really like that. So I'm gonna have to put something on there. Oh, but anyway, yeah. Now the car running. The car is running like orange. See it on the ground. That lens right there is a little more clear than this one, but it works. You turn the fog lights on with the car running, that's still orange. It's still orange. And then when you turn the headlights on, they turn white, like y'all seen that first. Hopefully they boy, y'all ain't finna be able to see me now. Hold on. Hopefully they last for a while. He recommended them, so obviously it's a brand that he uses, so I will link these in the description if anybody wants to use these. They are the 3157 bulbs, switchbacks, error free. Yeah. So yeah, I'll holler at y'all again when I get to the house. Head to the house, and we'll talk a little more when I get there. I know I'm all over the place on this, but yeah, I'm gonna shoot out here, man, and hit y'all right back.